Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 12 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings. Now find and select security and privacy. Here go a bit lower and select device unlock right here. Now click on face and fingerprint unlock and select fingerprint. Tap on agree. And now you need to provide your lock screen pattern. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create a new one. It's a backup to your fingerprint. And now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located here on your screen, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Now, let me just cancel now. You can smoothly unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously, you can also use the backup pattern that you previously set. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.